Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen and just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands, and as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine. Abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body. Coming into the present moment, letting go of all the worries from the day. Just coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bringing it towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Just taking your time, feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. It's like you're resting on a wave in the ocean. The tide rolls in and the tide rolls out. One more time, opening the door. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest. Decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the backs of the hands face each other. The hands float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Really letting go. As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. This time the fingertips point up, coming up the center. Then overhead, the hands spiral out and away, the upward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. My only rule is that you do breathe. All right, one more time, the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, coming up and over, fingertips point down, coming down the center, the hands spiral out and away, the downward spirals. Softening down towards the earth, breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the downward spirals. And then circle the arms in front as if you're hugging a big tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the fingertips point down as you soften down towards the earth. The hands come forward all the way up and over and then down in front of the body. Digging in the garden. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably and then rising back up. One more time, digging in the garden. And then from here, reverse direction with the hands floating up and over, out and down. Coming back up the center as we harvest from the garden. Circle it around again. One more time, harvesting from the garden. And then from here, round out the arms as if you're hugging a big tree. The arms open wide. This hand here scoops under the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then pivot on the heel, the toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth as the hands circle around as if your hands are lightly resting on the moon. Just going for the ride. And then reverse direction, whichever way you were going, just go the other way. Circle the arms around. One more time. The moon orbits the earth. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree, bring it right back to center. The arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top, embrace the moon. Pivot on the heel, toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth. Circling around, rotating the torso. Feeling the sensations. And then reverse direction. Circle it around one more time. The moon orbits the earth. And then round out, hugging the tree. Bring it back to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, both arms drift over to the side and down. The arms float up to shoulder height. And then switching sides. This time the palms face away. The hands drift across the horizon and then down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. Making nice brush strokes with the hands. One more time, drift across. This time the arms float up and over like a big wave, the Chen circles. Just coming up as much as you can comfortably, letting go of striving. Just being here is enough. One more time, the Chen circles. And then reverse direction with the arms, floating up to shoulder height, palms face away, the hands drift across the horizon and down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float up and over, the Chen circles. Opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints, creating freedom of movement. All right, one more time, the Chen circles. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, cross the wrists in front of the heart as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot, and then step out to the side, the hands brush out as well. This time you can lift your leg, pointing your knee to the corner, touching down as needed. This time you can kick your heel to the corner, or you can kick down towards the earth, or anywhere in between. And then the arms open as you kick the heel kick. Once again, you can kick straight out to the corner, down towards the earth, or anywhere in between. It's okay to wobble. One more time on this side, the heel kick. And then the arms float out to the side, spreading your wings. Step the other foot in, cross the wrists in front of the heart. Step out to the side, the hands brush out as well. This time you can lift your leg, pointing your knee to the corner, touching down, as always, as needed. This time you can kick your heel straight out or towards the earth. That still counts. Then the arms can open as you kick the heel kick. Just meeting yourself where you're at, kicking down towards the corner, anywhere in between. One more time, the heel kick. And then circle the arms around in front, hugging the tree. Breathing in, the arms open. Breathing out, the fingertips drift towards each other. The hands float down with the palms facing down. Then as the hands come forward, the hips go back, softening down, the arms open, then rising back up. The pebble in the pond, like we're sending out waves in all directions. Hands come forward, soften down, rising back up one more time, the pebble in the pond. And then from here, the hands float up in front of the heart, taking a breath in. And then breathing out, the hands brush out to the sides, floating up to shoulder height. Breathing in, coming up the center. Breathing out, cleansing the lungs, clearing out old stuck energy that's no longer serving you, making room for the new. One more time, cleansing the lungs. And then circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms float all the way up overhead, making the tiger claws, and then softening down, gathering the energy from the earth, bring it right up the center, and then release. The tiger squat. Coming down just as much as you can, comfortably rising up. Breathing. One more time, the tiger squat. This time, round out in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer, and Then shift all your weight over to one side and step in, step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open, the front knee bends. And then shift the weight back, the front knee straightens, cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward, front knee bends, the arms open. We call this the butterfly. Keeping the spine nice and long, you don't have to go very low. Hinging from the hips, coming back up again and open. One more time on this side, the butterfly. Take a bow, flutter the wings. Cross the wrists and open. This time step the front foot back in, hug the tree, shift the weight over and step in, step out to the other corner. The front knee bends, the arms open. Then the front knee straightens, shifting back, cross the wrists, hinging from the hips. The arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward and open. The butterfly. Hinging from the hips, keeping your spine nice and long. Don't have to go too low. Just being kind to yourself, please. One more time, the butterfly. Take a bow. Spread the wings. Cross the wrists and open. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree right out in front. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, cross the wrists right in front of the heart, and then press out to the sides, creating space. Breathing in, breathing out. Pressing out to both sides. One more time, creating space. And the arms float down, reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Breathing in, the arms open, breathing out, fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down, the palms press behind. Then the hands face forward, scooping under, coming all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. Scooping up the energy and the breath and letting it wash through the body. The bathing breath. As if we're bathing in this healing energy, giving us healing and vitality. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the bathing breath. Then the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. We can finish with a bow. All right, then stick around for a few more for your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called Embracing Change. Like leaves that drift down from the trees, we learn to bend and soften the knees. Each change becomes a guiding breeze. We move with grace, we flow with ease. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.